here entertaining y'all on the love, and we gonna make it happen. So let's gather around, let's get it cracking. DJ Phantom has been on the ones and twos. Shout out to them. I'm sorry. V-Dub. DJ Phantom working the sound, I'm sorry. V-Dub has been on the ones and twos, no problems. Hey baby, what's going on? Let's get this thing cracking, all right? Let's get this thing cracking. Yeah. DJ Phantom just came off the R. Kelly tour. He ain't gotta work. He got a lot of money. He got a lot of money.
That's gas?